Guys, today we're going to do reading groups and we are in book 2, I Do Read. You're going to need your pencil today. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to look for our sight words. The first word that I see in my title is going to be I'm going to put the word in a box. Okay. Let's continue looking. We see the word the. We're going to put it in a box. On goes in a box. The goes in a box. And the goes in a box. Great job, boys and girls. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we are going on a short vowel hunt. All right. We look up here and we see bus. So we're going to go ahead and put a smile over bus. Good job. We're simply looking for words with one vowel. Here you see the U by itself, just like in the other. So we put a smile over that. Here we see wheel. We're going to put a smile over the I in wheel. We see run. We're going to put a smile over it. Now, here we see two vowels, so we know they are not short vowel words. We're going to come here to this word. We see the E by itself, so we know it's a short vowel, so we're going to put a smile over it. We see the word bus again, and we're going to put a smile over that. We see the I by itself. We're going to put a smile over the I. Here we see the same word, and we're going to put a smile over it, letting us know. Same thing goes for here. We're going to put a smile over it. We see two vowels here, so we know that's long. Here we see one vowel. We're going to put a smile over it. Great job. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go through our story, and we are going to mark our long vowel words. Remember, a long vowel word, the first vowel does the talking, the second one walks, which means it kind of stays silent. So let's look right here in this word. We see two vowels. So we're going to put a line over the I, and then we're going to mark through the E. Okay? Coming down, all of those are taken. Here we see two E's. We haven't seen two vowels close together like that, but the same rule applies. The first one does the talking. The second one stays silent. So we're going to do that over here as well. Okay? Great job, boys and girls. And last, we're going to come down to this last word because we see two vowels right here, and we're going to put a line over the I and mark through the E. Miss Hall stuck on her smiles. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to go through this story and we are going to read it. The first thing I want us to do is read all of the boxed in words. The boxed in words are our sight words. Let's read them together as Miss Hall points. The, on, the, and the. Great job, boys and girls. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to read our short vowel words. These are CVC words. All right, let's look at this together. Let's sound this out together. Bus. Bus. Great job. Bus. Bus. Great job. Ill. Will. Remember, those two L's together just make one sound for L. Good job. Next, we'll do run. Run. Coming down to line 3, we do it. Get. Ready? Us. Bus. Good job. Now remember, this is a big J. It still makes the sound that J should make. Ill. Jill. Here we have Jill again. Let's sound this out. Ill. What do you notice about Jill and Will? You're right. Those words rhyme because they sound the same at the end. And last, we've already had this word, and I bet you can guess it. What is this word? Bus. Great job. Now, we're going to go back up and we're going to look at the long vowel words and we're going to talk about them a little as we go. So we see that this is going to make the long I sound. So let's sound it out together. Ride, ride. Good job. Sound these out together. Beep, beep. Remember, only one of those E's make a sound. The other one stays shh, quiet. Beep, beep. Great job. All right, looking. No long vowels there. And one more long vowel. Ready? Ride, ride. Perfect. All right, let's go back and read this page all together, boys and girls. Ready? Use your pointer finger and read along with Miss Hall out loud. A bus ride. The bus will run. Beep, beep. Get on the bus, Jill. Jill will ride the bus. Great job, boys and girls. I'll see you back for another lesson real soon. Keep reading.